Hello, we finally have some winter here in Scotland. We will do some sledging. What could possibly go wrong? It was a nice morning in Highlands and I headed towards the Glencoe ski center to do some skips. I parked up my trailer at the ski center. I did a skip for the ski center itself. Then I was planning to go to Glenettie. I like this area very much, but the road is untreated through the winter and there is no phone signal to call for help. As you can see, this is not a perfect situation. I was meant to go to Glenettie, which is over there. But it's not happening, not in this weather. I shoot off towards Tyndrum. Estate nearby Tyndrum. We have winter in Scotland finally, and yeah, I hope we'll manage to get back out okay, but I will worry about it in a few moments. Right now it's nice and steady down the hill to collect the skip. It is nice fresh snow, so I hope it will be okay. We are going straight on. Oh. There we go. So here's the situation right now. It's not very good. As you can see, the skip is over there. I've talked to a farmer, he said he'll pull me out. It's not going well so far. So I'm using shovel, trying to get some grip on these tires. Okay, here we go. It's going to pull me forward. Oh. It didn't help much. There we go. Right, so that's my hero, this guy over here. And the decision right now is that I'm going back out. I'm not going to try to get the skip. It is what it is. It is what it is. Just Granative didn't work today. I was meant to do Granative, but it was also hilarious. And up there I would not manage to get any help. So I was hoping to get that skip away, but it's not happening. I'm happy that I'm out without calling the crane or anything like that. We'll go on manual, 4th gear, diff lock on. And try to, it's nice and easy. Oh, it's also sliding. It's also hard to see where the verge or where the ditch starts. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes stay between the verges and under the radar. Today I did not manage to stay between the verges. Sometimes it would be so nice to have a 4x4 skip lorry. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Obviously you don't want to change gears in situations like this. That's a perfect recipe to start to slide. Right, I'm out. Stop you! These guys keep going. Right, thank you so much, you saved me today, eh? Cheers, Paul, thank you! Oh, what could go wrong now, eh? So now I'm going back to Glencoe Ski Center to pick up my trailer. What is he doing? You see a passing place, it's for passing, to let the cars pass. Looks like that's it. I've done one out of 3, but at least I'm on the road. I'll take my trailer and I want to go home right now. Well, at the end of the day, this is a skip lorry, not a monster truck, so let's not expect too much from that, from my rocket. Now I'm hooked up. I'll have to extend a drawbar. Right, so now it's time to get away from here. Loading up for tomorrow here in Duski, and I'm thinking, what could I have done differently today? Safe shift is always a good one. Yeah, I'm happy that there is no damage. My driver's pride is scratched, I would say. Hey ho, it happens to everyone. One day, sooner or later. Stay between the verges. I did not manage to stay between the verges today, but I hope you do. And of course, under the radar.